Hey everyone, welcome back to our Calm Speak English podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. We're really happy you're here with us today. Thanks for listening again.
In this podcast, we speak slowly and clearly. We use simple vocabulary, repeat ideas, and focus on real everyday English.
Our goal is to help you understand English with confidence, and even better, to help you think in English instead of translating in your head. Why we talk about thinking in English.
Many English learners ask, how can I stop translating from my native language? Maybe you have this problem too, and it's completely normal.
Our brain wants to use our first language because it feels safe. But thinking in English is a skill. You can learn it. You can practice it. You can improve step by step.
Why translation slows you down? Many students say, I know vocabulary and grammar, but when I try to speak, I freeze. That happens because the brain is translating every sentence.
Translation makes speaking slow and stressful. In real conversations, people speak fast. They don't stop and wait.
And sometimes translation doesn't even work. Languages have different word order. Translating word by word can sound strange or incorrect.
The real goal is to think in English first. When you do that, you speak faster, more confidently, and more naturally.
Today, we will share 5 practical strategies you can start using today.
5 tips to start thinking in English.
Tip number 1. Describe what you see. Look around and say in your mind, I'm walking to the bus stop. There's a blue car. The weather is windy. If you don't know a word, learn it later.
Tip number 2. Think about your day. Morning. Today, I will study English. Night. I watched a movie. I cleaned my room. Just think it in English. No speaking needed.
Tip number 3. Use visual thinking. Don't translate. Just say the English word. Phone, shoes, book, window.
Tip number 4. Shadowing. Listen and repeat immediately with no pause. I'm going to the store. Even 5 minutes is powerful.
Tip number 5. Use English during daily actions. I'm washing the dishes. I'm folding clothes. The soup smells amazing.
Daily routine. Morning. Think about your plan in English.
During the day, describe what you see.
Shadowing. 5 to 10 minutes.
Night, review your day in English.
Final message. Thinking in English takes time, but every small step counts. Maybe today, 10% of your thoughts are in English. That's great. Next month, 30%, then 50%, then 80%.
One day, you'll notice something amazing. You're thinking in English without trying.
Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself.
Progress is progress, no matter how small. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.